Have you ever stepped into bright sunlight and suddenly sneezed? You're not imagining it. This strange phenomenon is called the photic sneeze reflex. Scientists believe it happens because the nerves that control your eyes and nose are located very close together. When bright light suddenly stimulates your eyes, the signal can accidentally trigger the sneezing reflex. As a result, your brain gets confused and thinks something is irritating your nose. And ACHOO, around 1 in 4 people experience this unusual reaction. So if sunlight makes you sneeze, you're part of a surprisingly large club.